Welcome. In this video I'm gonna do some file detection using Python, and for that I'm gonna use the OS module. So I'm gonna type import OS. I'll go here, I will go to desktop, I will create a file, a text document. It's gonna be called text.txt. Let's get the location for this file. Let's go to properties and let's get this location, and I will go down here. I'll type path is going to be equal to double quotation marks and this path, and we need to have 2 backslashes here and another 2 backslashes, and here I'm going to type test.txt. We have as a suggestion, but we named our file test.txt. So why you have 2 txt? So we have 2.txt. We have 2.txt because I think the one of them is implicitly added, so we added our .txt on top of that, and this is why we have as a suggestion .txt. But we're gonna work that, so I'm gonna let that suggestion, and I'll type here if os.path.exists. So we're gonna check to see if this path exists. I'm gonna type path, and I'm gonna type here print dot location exists. Else I'm gonna say print dot location does not exist. Now let's run this and get that location does not exist. So why you get this in the, because I think that I made a mistake. I named this text.txt, so it should be text here, text.txt. So if I run this, get that location exists. Now we can check to see if it's a file. So I can go here, I can type here if os.path.isFile path. Then I'm gonna type here print dot is a file. Now if I run this, we get that location exists, and that is a file because it's a file. But let me go here, let's delete this, let's create a folder, let's call it folder, and if I put here folder, now if I run this, it says that location exists, but this is not executed, it's not a file. To do that, to check for this, I'm gonna type here else if os.path.is directory. So I'm gonna type path here, and it's gonna say print that is a directory. So now if I run this, you get that location exists, and then get that is a directory. Alright, so this is how you can check for files using Python. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you on the next video.